So it looks like we're going to have really nice view of the harbor from the top. So this is Kalvåg. You can see there in the bottom the fisher boats, and then you might, right there in the center of the screen, 2 sailboats, and the most outer laying one, that's Solvay.
Weather sent to us by the gods. The vast ocean, for us alone, nobody here. Passing Stad and Ona, one of Norway's more challenging passages, as you can see today. Particularly challenging with a lot of wind and big waves. I am of course being sarcastic. I think this is probably one of the nicest day this place has ever seen in terms of boating weather. The wind picked up a little bit, so it both sails up and we're gaining speed. I might turn off the engine soon. I can show you where I'm staying tonight. Is that last island, it's called Runde. So I came from there in the distance. You can see the last mountain there, that's Stad sticking out. And now I'm on the top of this island where I'm docked tonight, Runde. And it's really quite a sight. There's supposed to be some special birds, so I'm going to see if I can find some to show you. The bird in question is an Atlantic puffin. And I thought I would try to get a shot from here. You can sort of see them like bees flying in and out of the mountain. It's the white dots against the ocean in the background. Making our way to Ålesund, about a couple of nautical miles to go. It's behind the island that is in front of us there. So we are arriving in Ålesund now. The plan was to stay in Ålesund tonight, which is just behind me. But it was going to be a nice breeze, and we won't have much wind in the next couple of days. So I thought I might just as well take advantage of it. And I'm going to sail through part of the evening, night now. So when I arrived yesterday after sailing during the night, I checked the engine. I do that every day just to make sure everything is in place. and there was a lot of water that had dripped seawater from the seawater cooling system. And I found the fault. It's in a little valve that is supposed to let air in to siphon the seawater out when the engine stops. So I've found a temporary solution since nobody in Ålesund had a spare part, and someone in Kristiansund has ordered. So when I'm up there, I'll be sailing and I'll be changing that part.
I have arrived in Ona, a small fishing village a few hours north of Ålesund. Only about 40 people live here, and it's a gorgeous day, as you can see. The village is known for its lighthouse, which was built in 1867. Staying here tonight, and then tomorrow I'll be making my way to Kristiansund.
And if I just zoom in, I can show you what I'll be doing today. I'll be sailing about 40 nautical miles to just about before Kristiansund, which is here. And I'll be sailing there to visit a friend, and then to make my way forward, of course. And this part here, Hustadvika, is known to be a little bit challenging, mostly because of the many very shallow grounds. As you can see on the map, if I zoom in here a lot, you'll see a lot of very shallow areas. So it's you have to kind of pass through all of these and try to make sure you don't hit anything. I just left Ona. Still very sunny today with very little wind. Beautiful little mist on top of the ocean. You can see Ona in the background there.